Hey there, Dunedin. It's Chris with Clean Streak Pressure Washing. We are here on another project in Fairway Estates. Today, we will be cleaning this house and the pool deck out back. I wanted to take a moment here to show you exactly what to expect when you book a soft wash for your house. Here you can see this is a fairly well-maintained home, but it does need its annual service. So follow along. I will show you the process and what to expect when we're finished. As you can see here, we apply a cleaning solution to your home, allowing it to emulsify all the dirt, the grime, and all the organic matter so that we can gently rinse everything away. This helps avoid any of the damaging effects of high pressure water spray. With proper dilution ratios and by keeping the plants wet throughout the entire process, we guarantee that you will not have any adverse effects on your landscaping. Would you like to discuss a cleaning project at your home or office? If so, give me a call, 727-200-2352.